I know you're thinking, yaar, ab kya karun? You gave years to competitive exams, and now it just feels blank. Okay, relax. Let's not panic. Let's just sit and figure this out properly. No motivation, just a clear plan. First, tell me honestly, do you need money in the next 1 to 2 months? If yes, mujhe paise chahiye, jaldi. Then we go practical. No overthinking. Right now, your focus is simple. Income start karna hai. So, what jobs should you actually look for? Not fancy ones, real ones that hire fast. First, back office jobs. Simple work. Excel, data entry, basic computer. You sit, do tasks, maintain records. Salary, usually 10 to 15,000 rupees to start. Not huge, but stable. Where to apply? Go to Indeed or Naukri. Search Back Office Executive Fresher. Apply to 20 to 30 places. Don't wait. Online is not enough. Go outside. Nearby offices, small companies. Just walk in and ask, "Sir, hiring hai kya?" Most people feel shy here. That's why most people stay stuck. Second, customer support jobs. Call or chat support. You talk to customers, solve basic issues. Salary, 12 to 20,000 rupees. Growth is there. Team leader, manager. Where to find? Search Customer Support Fresher. Also check nearby BPO companies. Third, sales jobs. Yes, a bit uncomfortable, but powerful. You talk, convince, sell. Salary plus incentives. If you learn this, your confidence level changes. And one more thing people ignore: local opportunities. Coaching centers, shops, offices, they don't post online. You have to go and ask. Now listen carefully. Don't just do the job. Along with the job, build one skill. Otherwise, 1 year later, same problem. Now, if your answer was no, मेरे पास 3 से 6 महीने का time है, then honestly, this is your best chance. Now, don't waste time thinking. We need one direction. Best career options for you, realistic and fast. I'll give you the top 3 safest paths. Option 1, digital marketing, best overall. Why it fits you. Doesn't require a technical background. High demand. Freelance plus job plus business. What to learn. Social media marketing, content creation, reels, posts, basic SEO, ads, Facebook or Google. Timeline, 3 months to learning, 3 to 6 months to earning starts. Where to earn? Freelancing, Instagram businesses, local shops, internships, remote jobs. Option 2, content writing / copywriting. Why? Perfect if you have decent English or Hindi. Fastest way to start earning. What to learn? Blog writing, copywriting, ads, captions, basic SEO writing. Timeline, 1 to 2 months to learning, 2 to 4 months to first income. Platforms, Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn. Option 3, data entry to Excel to data analysis. Safe. Why? Easy entry, stable work. What to learn? Advanced Excel, basic data analysis. Optional, Power BI. Timeline, 2 to 4 months to entry-level earning. Now, one more powerful option, teaching. Honestly, the fastest start. You already have knowledge, use it. Start like this. Join online teaching platforms. Follow their pages, apply when hiring opens. They also have off-camera roles. Or tell people around you. Post on WhatsApp, home tuition uplabdh hai, sampark kare. Put small posters. Even 3 to 4 students are enough to begin. You earn, and your confidence comes back. Now, simple roadmap. Month 1 to 2. Pick one skill. Don't mix. Learn from YouTube, free. Practice daily, 2 to 4 hours. Month 3. Start practical work. Create sample projects. Help small businesses for free or low cost. Month 4 to 6. Start applying. Internships, freelancing gigs. Build your portfolio. Month 6 to 12. Scale. Increase pricing. Get regular clients or a job. Platforms to start. Freelancing, Fiverr, Upwork. Jobs, LinkedIn, Internshala. Learning, YouTube, Coursera, optional. Now, one more option, very important. Most people ignore this. Start your own content. YouTube, Instagram, not for fame, for opportunity. You can share what you studied, what you learned, simple explanations. You don't need a perfect setup, just a phone is enough. Now you might think, log mujh par bharosa kaise karenge? Simple. Don't try to look perfect, just start. Give free value, free demos, free samples, connect with people. That's how they say yes. And please, talk to people. Don't just sit with your phone. Don't think too much. Just start doing. You will reach somewhere. Real growth comes from people. Also, stay visible. Let people know what you're doing. And yes, you will feel, ye sahi hai kya? Mujhse hoga kya? That's normal. Everyone feels this. Clarity doesn't come before starting. It comes after doing. So don't overthink. If you need money, take a job and build a skill. If you have time, build a skill seriously. If you want the fastest start, teaching or content, just pick one. Start this week. Even small, but start.